All right, YouTube, check it out. Y'all see we got the black FX1s. We're gonna unbox this for y'all. If y'all see in my last video, y'all know that I was doing a video on these, and if y'all ain't checked that video out yet, I'll make sure to put the link down in the description and in the comments so y'all can check out my unboxing and my initial thoughts on the gold FX1s. But like I said, this video, we're gonna be unboxing the black FX1 trimmer. Let's get it. All right, so check it out, man. Here's the package. We got a little bit of glare due to the glass or the plastic on the package, but as you can see, we got a nice black on black trimmer in there. Let's read some of the stuff on the back for y'all. Black graphite deep tooth T-blade, high strength, low blade temperature, new N1 brushless motor, dual bearings for more efficiency. I don't know what that means, but it's gonna be more efficient, you know what I'm saying? 7,200 RPMs, new interchangeable lithium battery pack, up to 3 hours of runtime. So, you know, it's got the FX1 battery, the one that we can switch through different tools, you know, whether you got the gold FX1s, the gold FX1 clipper, the shaver, or the low pro FX1s, you can interchange the batteries. New improved all metal housing, ergonomic finger rest, removable hair pocket door, knurled metal barbell grip, new tapered end cap with hidden hanging hook, includes dual voltage charging base and battery. So let's check out what we got right here. Upgraded N1 brushless motor, interchangeable battery, compact charging base, graphite deep tooth T-blade, quick battery release button, 2-year warranty. Y'all know all that good stuff. But let's go ahead and open up this trimmer so you can get a look at it. And this is actually my first time opening up the black trimmers. As y'all seen, I've had the gold trimmers for a while and the low pro trimmer, but this is my first time getting my hands on these, so I'm excited to try these out and see how they're different from the low pro trimmers and the FX1 gold trimmers. All right, so check it out. That's the trimmer in the box. And like I said in my last video, they got like a little plastic thing. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it's like a little plastic, I don't know what it is, but it helps hold the clipper in place, so that's pretty dope. But let's put this down to the side. I got that piece out. That way we can easily pull this trimmer out. So check it out, man. Here is the black FX1. As y'all can see, we got the Graphite 2.0 blade. The Graphite 2.0 has made a comeback on this trimmer. And I don't know if y'all can see it, but man, that thing is super zero gap. As y'all seen in my last video, the gold FX1s were really zero gap. These look zero gap out the box also, but check it out once again. Looks really identical to the gold one, only difference is basically it's black and we got a different blade on there, but we still have the thumb grooves in the back. Battery goes down here, battery release button right here. We do have a hanging hook that comes out from the bottom. We got the hair pocket that we can take off to remove the hair from there. So then we also get the charging base. So we get a nice black charging base opposed to a gold one that comes in the gold FX1s. On the back, we have the universal Babyliss charging port at the bottom, and then the top, we have the USB-C charging port. Let's get this battery out of here, see if we got some juice in it. All right, so as you can see, we do got some juice in the battery, which is good. That means I can put it straight to use. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy in. Look at that. Let's go. Y'all ready to hear this thing on? And you may not get a good sound of it due to, you know, the stuff going on here in the shop, but I'm gonna turn it on and hold it close to the mic for y'all. Check that out. Super quiet, feels powerful. I don't know if it feels more powerful than the gold one. Feels about the same. So this is the gold one on, the gold FX1. And here is the FX1, the black trimmer with the graphite 2.0 blade. So like I said, it comes with a different blade, so check that out. But yeah, we got this in here. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we're gonna have to move this out the way. We're gonna have to move this thing out the way. All right, so we in the box, underneath we have this box and we got a pamphlet and stickers. I'm just gonna put that back in there. You know, I normally chunk it, but I don't wanna lose anything. So let's put this to the side real quick and see what comes in this box. All right, let's open this thing up. All right, so let's see what comes in here. So in here, we get some oil and a brush that I'm never gonna use. Put that to the side. We get a Babyliss charging brick. We also get a screwdriver. And then we get the USB-C charging cord and that connects to the brick and to the charging dock. You know what I'm saying? It's not the Babyliss charger, it's the USB-C. And I heard the USB-C is actually supposed to be quicker charging, but I'm not 100% sure, just going based off of what I heard. We also get a blade cover, just in case you want to protect your blades. We get another cam follower. For those of y'all who say the Babyliss FX trimmers get loud, we got an extra cam follower, and then we get the zero gap setter with the little screwdriver to adjust that blade. But yeah, man, that's basically all that comes in the box. So check it out. We got the charging dock, we got the trimmer, we got the battery in there. As y'all can see, once again, this is the release button. Push that in. There we go. So we just push that in. Battery pops out, take it out, switch, charge, whatever. Put that back in, turn that thing on. But yeah, man, all right, now we're gonna take the black FX trimmers, FX1 with the graphite blade. And I'm gonna ball them out in like a triangle shape to help preserve some of the C cup. Everyone always asks me why I do that. It's really just to help preserve some of this. That way we can, you know, put a nice curve to it. We got that balled out. Now I got the trimmers in my hand still, so I'm gonna go ahead and line them up back here. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't think these trimmers hit as much as the gold ones, but they still hit pretty good, man. Not as close as the gold ones. I think the gold ones have that thinner blade on it, but these ain't bad. They still work good. They can still get the job done. All right, we're gonna hit this edge up. Hopefully I got enough battery. Like I said, these things will line up. I just like the way the gold blade works a little better. And that's just my personal opinion. I mean, I think these balled out well. Maybe if I adjust them a little more. But like I said, they work. They get the job done. Alright guys, so as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new Black FX1. The Black FX1. I don't know how to actually say the name, but you know, the FX1, the black trimmer, as y'all see. Unfortunately, I don't have the clipper or the stick shaver yet that goes with this trimmer. However, I did get to use the trimmer and I did enjoy using it. Now, one thing that me personally, this is just personal preference, I didn't really like about the trimmer is the blade. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of the graphite blades. I know when they first came out, I was a fan of it for balding, you know what I'm saying? And I still think that's the same case in this scenario. It's really great for balding. You know, one swipe, the hair's gone, and I think it balds out well. It doesn't clog up or any of that. But me personally, I prefer the Gold FX blade just because I like the way it hits a little better. Now, like I said, for balding, this thing worked really, really well. For lining up, it got the job done, but it just didn't hit as good as the Gold FX blade hits, you know what I'm saying? And that may be my fault, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why I say that is I do have a heavier hand than some barbers, so I did move the blade back slightly. I don't know if y'all probably can't even tell on video, the blade is still really close, but I moved it back just a smidget, you know what I'm saying? Like I tapped the blade a little bit just to move it back because it was almost 100% zero gap. I don't know if it was or not, but it looked really, really close. And like I said, since I am a heavier handed barber, I knew I was probably gonna leave some people marked up, leave their skin irritated, and I didn't want to do that. So I pushed the blade back a little bit, and that may be the reason why it doesn't hit as well as the Gold FX ones. But other than that, man, I'm really enjoying this trimmer. Like I said, I like the power of it, like the way it works for balding out. I love the ergonomics of it. As you can see, we do got a thumb groove back here, you know, slightly smaller than the original metal FX trimmers that they came out with. And as you can see, for reference, here is the rose gold FX. I don't know if y'all can tell if it's smaller, but it's a little bit at the bottom, really just because it rounds instead of being, you know, like square down here. And as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it on camera due to it being black on black, but we do have the FX1 branding right there. I'm trying to get that on camera for y'all. FX1 branding, we got the battery release button back here. Press that button, battery comes out. And I should have brought the other FX1s with me, that way I can show you how you can interchange these batteries. But I showed that in my last video. So the same thing with this. You can use this one battery across multiple machines. You can use it on the Gold FX clipper, Gold FX trimmer, Gold FX shaver, the Low Pro FX1s, and then you can use this for the black clipper and the black stick shaver also. And me personally, I think that's pretty dope. I know some people were saying that it's not needed, or that Babyliss is being extra when they're doing that. But like I said, for me, I think that's dope, you know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I don't charge all my tools. Sometimes I forget. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. So just being able to grab one battery and put it in my trimmer, and if I needed to, I could use that same battery in my clipper and my shaver. I think that's a game changer, but that's just me. Also, the trimmer does come with a hanging hook on the bottom. You just gotta pull it out. You can hang it on your station if you'd like. You don't need to, but you can. Like, as you can see, once it's on, we have the light come on down here, or let me let that turn off for y'all. Or you could just press the bottom, see how much battery you have left in that battery. Now, what I may do is I may put a DLC 2.0 blade on here just because I like the DLC 2.0 blades a little better. So I may change this out for a DLC blade and continue to use it because, like I said, I like the black look. I like black on black, really sleek, you know, really sleek looking trimmer. And I think if I change this blade, I think it would be better for me. And if I wanted to hit better, I could probably even just put a Gold FX blade. And y'all know the Gold FX blades be hitting, but I like the way the DLC blades hit. So with that being said, I might change this out and put a DLC blade on it. Not 100% sure yet, but I just wanted to let y'all know that. But yeah, man, all in all, super dope tool. Shout out to Babyliss Pro for sending this to your boy. Once again, these tools have not dropped yet. However, they will be dropping November 1st. So on November 1st, I need all y'all to do me a favor. Head over to BabylissPro.com. Use my discount code TANK10 when you're trying to buy these. You know what I'm saying? That's only if you're trying to buy them. If you ain't trying to buy them, then don't waste money because I'm asking you to. You know what I'm saying? But if you're already looking to cop these tools, whether it be the black one, the Gold FX ones, or the Low Pro FX ones, remember you can go to BabylissPro.com and use my discount code TANK10. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.